about to lose my job.
When Christopher Lose was a kid in foster care, he used to rap or converse regularly with court and children's services staff. Now 20 and on his own, he performs rap, the musical variety, and recently showed his talents to the staffers from his youth.
Little lies turn to bigger lies.
Everybody has a story. I just chose to tell it.
Lose performed recently at a one-day case flow consortium sponsored by the Franklin County Juvenile Court, Franklin County Children's Services, and the Supreme Court of Ohio to improve local practices in abuse, neglect, and dependency cases by addressing delays and improving efficiency in the case flow process. Participants included judicial officers, the child welfare director and staff, court staff responsible for the dependency docket, local court-appointed special advocates, guardians ad litem, and attorneys. The consortium included a comprehensive view of best practices in case flow management and collaborative exercises, such as process mapping, where justice partners were able to collaboratively chart the progress of a case from filing through key events in the dependency case process in order to assess and improve current practices. The Ohio Department of Job and Family Services provided preliminary results of Ohio's Federal Child and Family Services Review, specifically identifying timeframes for cases and the impact local results can have on the review statewide. Case flow management is the process of moving cases through the court system. The quality of the process determines how the court achieves its most fundamental objectives. A timely case disposition means a quick resolution to a family's struggle through the court system.
They have to come down to the courthouse. Imagine how they would feel after searching for parking and trying to find transportation, and then checking in with the bailiff and looking for their attorney who they've never met before. The bailiff tells them to take a seat. They're sitting there for 2, maybe 3 hours, only to be handed a continuance.
Franklin County Juvenile Court lead judge Beth Gill said the collaborative efforts are part of a journey to identify and implement solutions.
I need to know as a judge and as someone who cares about the individuals that come before me that every legal right has been taken care of and that every process is in place so that there are no further delays and that I can go forward and hear the evidence and make good decisions.
The collaboration provides the court and its justice partners the ability to identify and commit to a plan for assessing and improving current practices while strengthening the processing of these and cases.
Because every time that they have to come back to court is another day left with the kid maybe not knowing where they're going to be sleeping at night, or the parents not knowing what's happening to their kids.
She says this consortium was a great initiative and an essential step toward recognizing local strengths and challenges in case processing, a collaborative process that will lead to better outcomes for children and families. Or, as rapper Lose proclaimed,
I don't know, it feels good.
I'm Ann Yeager for Court News Ohio.